Listen to it, son, listen to it.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is another beautiful September morning here in the mountains. In the last video, me and JP, we went crazy painting on this truck. Man, they was paint, it was going everywhere. It was going everywhere. The truck turned out beautiful, and the very next day, tragedy struck, and I caught the COVID-19. So that's where we've been for the last 3 weeks ago. Today is when when we painted this truck. The next day I got COVID-19. So that's where we're at. Trying to get back into it. COVID-19 is not a fun virus. It's definitely something to be concerned about. But you know what? We got lots of exciting things planned for this channel, and we are back. We are back. We may not be 100% back, but we're on our way to getting 100% back. So we're gonna fire this truck up today, and then over there in the corner, JP's got all our parts piled up nicely. So yeah, so we're gonna put all the stuff back on this truck, and we're gonna see what it looks like today, and hopefully we'll get it looking like something. Alrighty, guys, man, we've been working away at this thing. You know, just kind of easing back into it, just kind of getting things going, you know, getting some of that old tape off, because it has been 3 weeks, man, and it's been sitting outside, so that stuff caked on there pretty good. So what we're going to do now is going to stick the hood on. We're going to take the bumper off, put the fenders on, put the hood on, put the doors on, and we're going to get this thing looking like a truck. We're going to blow the water off of it. We're going to pull it out outside, and hopefully the sun will be out by then and show you what a beautiful truck this is going to be. So we're going to get right back to it right now. If you remember in the last video, we talked about this second generation Tacoma. While I was out sick, JP, he's been working on this thing. He's getting everything ready. Pretty soon we're gonna get it painted all over, and then we'll start the mods on this one. Can't wait to show y'all that one. Just want to give you a quick update on this second gen here. It's headed our way. We're going to keep working on it. We'll show you the mods once we get them going. Alrighty guys, we got a good bit of work done today. It is my first day back in 3 weeks. You know, COVID-19 is nothing to joke about, man, I'm telling you, but I am getting my strength back. I know we didn't get a lot done, but we got a good bit done. We got the doors back on. We got the fenders temporaried up here, got the hood temporaried up here. And then we asked you in the last video, and a couple of y'all reached back out and said you can't really go wrong with color match. So we think we'll do color match, black on the bumper. That'd probably look the best. That's what we're gonna do. And I mean, the truck, look at the truck there. It just looks amazing. Man, let's just walk this thing around and look at it here. It just turned out just super slick. We're just super excited about it. I got a bunch of the parts that I ordered in. I've got the emblems. We decided to go with some black emblems, so we got those. They came in. Then I ordered a couple of pieces for up front that we need to paint. We've got the grill. We got to get all that stuff painted. Probably what we'll do in the next video is some of that stuff. We'll get to working on the front end, paint that bumper, paint that grill, get our headlights put in, and get our way. You know, get on our way back to having this thing back on the road. We've got a bed. We found a bed. We just got to go get the bed. That's kind of where we're at right now. We got to get the bed. But you know what? We're glad to be back. We got soup. We just got all kinds of things lined up for this channel. You know, we can't wait to show you everything that we've got in store. So if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.